Now let's look at the second type of matching question. In this question type, you need to match paraphrase statements with information in the text. How you approach this question will depend on a different combination of factors. Look at this example. You can see that you're given a set of statements and a list of sources from the texts. The statements are paraphrases of information in the text. The purpose of this matching exercise is testing your ability to recognize paraphrases of information or attitudes given by different sources in the text. Now, as I've already said, only one of the lists is in order. You can find this out by skimming the text for the names of the sources. In this case, the order of the researchers is the same as the text, and the paraphrase statements are out of order. So how do we answer this type of matching question? As we said with type 1, it's usually best if you start with a list that is in order. That is, our list of names. Even though not all the names will be used, we'll start with this list. It's easier to find the name in the text and then read around it than trying to scan the text for the paraphrase statements. So, scan the text until you find the first name. In this case, it's two separate names. Nestlé 2002, DeSchutter 2010. Read the information in the text related to the names carefully so that you understand it. Then go to the list of statements. Read the statements carefully to see if there is a paraphrase match with the information in the text. Remember, there won't be a match for all the names. Let's do the first one together. So when we scan the text to find Nestlé and DeSchutter, we find this in paragraph 7. These writers refer to the fact that monopolistic companies are very powerful and their shareholders speculate on food prices, which is risky for food security and stability. Now look at the four statements. Are any of these a paraphrase of the information? Yes, number 10 covers the main ideas of powerful monopolies, as well as shareholder speculation, creating risks for food price stability. Now go to the next screen and try the rest yourself. Work through the list of names, scanning to find each one in the text. Read the information related to that source carefully and then look to see if any of the statements are a paraphrase of that information.